My name is Alex Kamanga Mwangi. I am one of the co-founders and the team leader at Fundis. And what we do at Fundis is that we are pretty much a once-off marketplace that allows homes, organizations, and anyone in between to be able to find good artisans. Artisans who are vetted, artisans who are good to go, artisans who will deliver value and service for your money. If any one of you has ever had the challenge of finding a repairman or woman, then you know the challenge of finding somebody who you can either verify whether they are good at what they do, whether they have the qualifications. So what Fundis does is that we provide verified professionals. It's been an exciting 3 days, and especially the president spending some time on our booth, but more so also just engaging other corporates and players within the space that we can be able to provide artisans for. So we are looking at, by the time we are done here, being able to follow up on lots of businesses from here, but as well as a few investor conversations going on as well. This time, this not being my first Nairobi Innovation Week, the level of details, the level of organization this one has had has been super impressive. As you can see where we are from right now, we are from the startup village, which is really a cool idea they came up with, working with us the last 2 weeks, preparing us for this. So we are seeing a lot of value where they are not only giving us a platform, but they have also been doing a lot of hand-holding for us. Without a doubt, and this is based not just because of the various interactions we are having with guys coming to our booth, but generally even our own social media, guys who are calling in and inquiries we are seeing, we really feel this would be a good platform for us to be here again and again. As a job tech player, we are in a space that's fast growing. So we are thinking around how could we be in a position to partner with the larger corporates. So if there was a way we could be able to find a sort of a sandbox that allows us to work with bigger companies and us and innovators to figure out what we could do together, we feel that would be a step in the right direction to see what has happened in other spaces such as health tech, insurance tech, agri-tech. We feel job tech actually needs that, and that's what we see as an additional support that Fundis would need in that space.